YouTubers, hit the subscribe button for the Stout 79 channel and come back for more subscriber giveaways. So hit the subscribe button now!
Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special unboxing to do today, coming from my good friends over at the bulk store. Check them out. I'll leave their social media links down below, and you could get some goodies delivered to your doorstep. They got some rare kinds, especially the hard to find Snaps licorice. So definitely check them out. Great shipping, fast shipping too. And we're gonna start opening this up. And here we go. They got pretty much everything you need for snacks and everything. So here we go. Pardon. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. We got one package of the Snaps, the original classic chewy candy, limited edition of original formula. So these are really hard to find in stores that are selling out anywhere like Walmart, even Amazon Prime, that you can't get these stuff for here in Michigan. I think they're kind of located by me. Oh, I forgot where they're located. Taylor, I do believe. But once you click on a link, you can see where they're located from their website. But really cool place it looks like from the images I've seen. Might have to make a trip down during the summertime. So really cool. Original Snaps. Classic candy. Oh baby. Like I said, you can't find these anywhere, so they got that. Got another one. Original Snap Mania. And another one. Oh boy. Got a lot of good licorice selection too. They got like birthdays stuff, Valentine's Day stuff. So if your wife or girlfriend or your other partner needs some snacks, this would be a really great place to start looking. Fast shipping. We got some mystery goodies. Ooh, baby. Here we go. Put that in there. Ooh. Alright. Whoa. Alright. We got some. Yeah, a bunch of goodies in here. Kind of like taffy. Holy moly. Got that Laffy Taffy. You guys remember that song back in the day. Clubs used to have been jumping for Laffy Taffy. Ooh. Not sure what kind this is. Bulkstore.com. Oh baby. So thank you guys so much. And like I said, ooh. Smells. Oh man. This smells really good. Got that taffy. There we go. La la. We got taffy. More taffy. They got gummies there. They got it all. So all I gotta do, click the link, take a few minutes, browse around their website, and find your item, add it to the cart, check out. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, that smells like blue raz. Yeah, camera does not do it justice. You guys gotta check them out. Try it for yourself. Like I said, Valentine's Day is creeping on us really fast. And try something different. You know, you don't have to go anywhere. All you gotta do is select online and take a look at what candy selections they have. So we got tons of taffy though. Really cool. So I'll see where the good stuff's at. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Taylor, Michigan. So really cool place to check out, YouTubers. And that is it for today. So you guys be safe. Have a good day. see you guys soon, and see ya. Oh man, almost had it. There we go. We got this rolling. Boom. I'll be back.